multiples, factors and primes. Welcome to Mathzip. This video I am starting exercise 1.2 of Cambridge Checkpoint Mathematics 8, and this video I am trying to solve two math which is based on factors and multiples. Let's get started. Number 1, find the factors of each number. A. Here is 20. This 20 we can write 1 times 20. Then we can write 2 times 10. Again 3 is not possible, 4 times 5. Right? So find the factors of each number. So 20, the factors are, or we can write the factors of 20 are what? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Very simple, right? Number B. Here is 27. This 27 we can write first, it's a common thing, 1 times 27. 2 is not possible because 27 is an odd number, so 3 possible, 3 times 7, right? No, 3 times 9. Okay, it means 1, 3, 9 and 27. Okay, so A and B done. Number C. Here is 75. First, it's a common thing, 1 times 75. Then 2 is not possible, 3 possible, 3 times 25. 5 times 15. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 also not possible because 8 times 9 is a 72. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we can say the factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, then 15, 25 and 75, right? So this is very simple. Number C done. Number D, 23. Number D, 23. Look, 23 is a prime number, so these factors only two. 1 times 23, it means 1 and itself. The factors of 23 are 1, 23. Factors of 100. This one we can write 1 times 100. Then 2 times 50. 3 is not possible, 4 times 25. 5 times can be right, which is 20, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 possible, 10 times 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we can say the factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 100, 20, 25, 50 and 100. Very simple. So if you solve these kinds of problems step by step, you have no chance to make wrong. Finally, here is number F, 98. 98 we can write 1 times 98. 2 times we can divide this one by 2 because 98 is an even number, so here is 49. Then 3 is not possible because 9 plus 8 is a 17. 17 cannot divide it by 3, so 98 also cannot divide it by 3. Then 98 also possible to divide it by 4? No, it's not possible. Then we can this one divided by 7, so it will be 14 because 7 times 4 is a 28. 7 times 1 is a 7 plus 2 is a 98, right? So we get 1, 2, 7, 14 and 49 and also 98. So here is 6. Okay, so factors are 1, 2, 7, 14, 49, 98. Okay, so one by one we are already solved. Find the factors of each number. Here is 6 numbers which already done. So we will solve number 2 now. Our question is find the first 4 multiples of each number. It's a very simple. It's a counting of table like 8. We can write 8 times 1 is a 8, 8 times 2 is a 16, 8 times 3 is a 24, 8 times 4 is a 32. So similar thing I am doing in here. So 8, 16, 24, 32 is the first 4 multiples of each number. So this is the number A8. This one is 15. So we can write in here 15 is 15, 30, 44, 60, right? Number C, it's a counting or first 4 multiples of 7. So 7, 14, 21, 28. Next 20. 20 can be 20, 40, 60, 80. Then 33. 33, 66, 99, 132, and finally 100. So 100 first 4 multiples are 100, 200, 300 and 400. It's a very simple thing. So let's say we have 2 questions like find out the factors of, let's say, 40. So this one will become what? 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 3 is not possible, 4 possible, 4 times 10, then 5 times 8, and then what next? Next is not possible. So here is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Okay, and if say find out first 5 multiples of, let's say, 9. So it will be 9, 18, 27, then 36, and next what? 45. So if you face these kinds of problem in examination hall, I hope you will make solution easily. It's a very simple and very important. So don't neglect multiples, factors. It's very important for any kinds of number system or any kinds of great mathematics examination. My channel name is Mathzip. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family because I am trying to solve step by step Cambridge Checkpoint Mathematics 8. Thank you.